Onkyo 9700 THX certified 7.1 surround sound.
Is this recording?
Mm-hmm. Look, it even has the Ultra 4K upscaling, and it has the HDCP license 2.2, so it works flawlessly with the TV. I need a knife. I need a big boy knife. I hate how the cats think that I need to. I hate how you guys think that you need to help me look at everything. So there was a problem with this when I first got it at the store. I'll show you what I'm talking about. It kind of looks like somebody beat on it with an axe or something. And there's a big giant, like, possible forklift hole in it. So, I'm kind of concerned about that. We'll see how that turns out. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, HDCP, Ultra 4K, THX certified. Nicole.
Headphones.
Headphones for what?
So
Cats really think this is a toy, I think.
everything's a toy.
Alright. I would really love to be able to keep this and not have to take it back, so I hope there's nothing. What's wrong with you? Hopefully there's nothing damaged in it. I'm actually really excited about this because I've wanted this one for a while. You know what I mean? Are you using my headphones?
Yep.
Well, get your paw out of there.
Why is only one working?
This thing's not plugged in all the way, probably. So it seems to be pretty reinforced, actually. I don't know if that hole would go all the way through or not. Can't see it yet. Basics out first. It's going to be a remote. That right there is your speaker calibration. The audio Q, I think is what it's called. Audio EQ, maybe. AM, FM antenna. This is the actual receiver itself. Obviously. Receiver. This is all the wiring that comes with it. It's all color coded, so you know your front, back, surround, center, and all that. You're probably going to need to get a better quality cable because it's only like I think this is like a 16 gauge cable. Yeah, 16 gauge. But it is nice that it's color coded. It's probably not going to be long enough either. Why are you always helping? Why are you always helping? You're such a helpy helper. Let's lay this down. I think I'm the first one to actually review this because I haven't been able to find one online. In English, anyhow. Go on. Thanks. Put it in there. Very large box. Give me that. What do you have? Give me that. Give me that. It's not for you. Look. Look. These animals are just out of control. Okay, so I guess that's it. Is the robot charged?
Probably not yet.
Okay, so damn. Look at that. This thing took a real beating. Via transfer from wherever it came from. So that's basically how it's packaged. You got your subwoofer. Looks like your left and right channel right there. Looks like all of your surround speakers are going to be on the bottom. Get that. This thing's really heavy. Okay, so you're going to definitely need somebody to help you carry this because the whole package contents is, I think it says on the box it's like 159 or 149 or maybe just 140 pounds. Either way, it's not, even if you are a big, strong person, it's just really awkward to carry. The box is about 5'4". You know where the knife went? Okay, so I don't know if I opened this right, but all the speakers are upside down. I opened it like this just because everything is cracked on the other side. But this is your subwoofer. The THX 9700 comes with a 12-inch down-firing Suspension subwoofer. And pretty big. Probably weighs about 50 pounds or so. It is a powered sub. Got the THX certification right there. Onkyo. And you got your adjustments and everything in the back. Power cord. It does have raised carpet spikes on the bottom. I'll show you those. Look about like that. I'm not 100% sure if the grill on the subwoofer is removable. I know on these left and right channels it is. Show you those. Because I was just trying to take it off and it kind of seemed like it was going to break. So there's going to be one of your left and right, or your center, because I'm pretty sure they're all the same. Grill comes off. It's really similar to the 9400. So put that there for right now. Same thing again, center, left, right, could be either one. THX. Okay. So this is your center, for sure, or you could either do the left or right. Okay, this is for sure the center. Indicated by the THX being horizontal instead of vertical. Now this is my problem that I have. So my TV sits like this, and there's no room for the center channel, and with the TV being as thin as it is, there's no real way to put a bracket on it for the center channel. So if anybody's got any suggestions, that'd be cool. How excited are you?
So excited.
And the wood's really nice though on this. On the speakers, it's like some kind of like granulated wood. Almost has like a granite look and feel to it, almost like Samsung's TVs. It actually looks exactly like the Samsung TVs, the new 2016 models. They have that like granite feel to it. I don't know if you can see it on camera though. Maybe. Feel this. And then these are the ones that have to go on the walls. your favorites. These are some hefty speakers. They're bigger than I thought, for sure. So you're gonna definitely need some kind of wall mount that is pretty. It's pretty. Two. I need to look for mounts. And these things are much heavier than I thought they would be. So it's not just the center channel that has that granulated feel, it's all of them, and they all have the THX certification on the front of the speaker. It's all got the same texture, which is actually really cool. I don't know if the 9400 had that, but it's pretty interesting. So let me show you this. They come with, let's see if you can see this. The speaker mount that they actually come with is just this. This is made just to hang a sturdy drywall screw on, or maybe a molly, or whatever way you want to do it. So it's just a simple screw hole, but you're not going to have any way to angle this or move it around, and that may work either way, but my personal opinion, I would get a mount that holds the speaker like a clamp or a vise, and then that way you can angle the speaker any which way. You can get them for like $39, $49 Amazon, Best Buy. If I figure out which ones when I put it up, I'll put it in the link below. Here it is, the actual brain, the receiver, which is actually a lot more of a low profile deal than I thought it would be, so that's good. And there it is. Spotify on the front, wireless, Bluetooth. We got an auxiliary HDMI. And then this is all the connections on the back. I don't know if you can see all this. It's got numerous HDMI and its switch bank, Ethernet, legacy hookups. Looks like it has two subwoofer outs, so you could probably add another subwoofer to the system, which is interesting. Nice glossy volume knob, textured. Oh, this is going to be such a cumbersome hookup. Alright, so I'm going to go and try to hook all this up, get stands and stuff, and I'll update it when I figure out what the hell I'm doing.